Hey everyone, glad to see you here. Today we're gonna talk about the Partiful app. So what is this app? It's a cool application that you can easily use to find new people for your party or be a part of such a party. So let's take a closer look at this app. You can easily install it from Play Store or App Store if you use an iOS device, but in my case I will use Play Store. So let's open it up. Now let's search for this application and press enter. Okay, you already can see that this is a very popular app and it has a pretty good rating, 4.9, and a lot of downloads. So let's try to install it. Just click on this app and click on the install button right here. You can scroll down a bit and here you can see a lot of screenshots. Let's take a closer look and see what this app can provide. So chats, photo roll, event settings, you can share a link with someone, search for a poster, and so on. And also the quality of the app is confirmed by a large number of reviews. You can read them right here. And of course, here's more information about this app. Here you can invite friends from anywhere. You can share updates and photos. You can find a time that works for everyone. Keep track of your social life. This app has party profiles, so you can add a bio, profile photo, and your socials. You can see other people's profiles. In principle, we have already familiarized with many functions by viewing screenshots right here. And in general, that's what this application is. Now it's just to sign up for this app, just open it and create your Partiful account. Enter your phone number and start using this app. So guys, I hope I helped you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.